Okay guys, the camera fell down because I mounted it somewhere here at the Pocket 2, and today we're going to talk about one thing. We're going to talk about the forgotten Pocket 2. Now, I know it's been 2 years since Pocket 2 was launched. 2 years, 3 years? Man, years are going, man. It's crazy. So it's been like almost 3 to 2 years, I think so. But is Pocket 2 still enough good camera to be using? Because to be honest, I've been using it for almost 2 years since I bought it, and it's really amazing. Matter of fact, it got damaged. Let me show you guys, but it's just a matter of cleaning it and it's just okay. And the sensor is just fine, it doesn't have any glitch or anything, because it wasn't that much. It was a tough kind of drop, fell. I think it is even a test, but yeah, we all know how it goes when it falls down. So let me just park my bike first. Okay, I just parked somewhere here. Let me just turn around the car. So I'm out here just sharing with you guys what's happening with Pocket 2. Are we gonna get Pocket 3 from DJI? Well, Pocket 2, it's a really good, amazing camera. Sorry for the background noise. I think it's all over the place. But let's continue with the ride. Does the sensor work? Yes, everything is working fine for the Pocket 2 because the fall was very huge. Very huge. I'm gonna show you guys at the front there. I just wanted, you know, to play with you guys a little bit. So it fall down and the base. So what I've noticed when you're mounting with Ulanzi mounts, you know, the tension of the bike, like the mount, if you're mounting it, especially if you're mounting even a phone, it's so much risky, man. Like just don't do it, because you're gonna lose your phone or break your phone. You just have to, you know, go gently with it. Either, I was thinking, either you just grab an Insta360 Go 3, the brand new one, or get a GoPro. It's much better. I think GoPro works so well because I've been working with the GoPro for a while, and I'm thinking about grabbing, and I'm still investing on grabbing the GoPro Hero 11 Mini. It's gonna be really amazing. Mini, it's a dope one. It's really minimal, I can say, and it's awesome. So let me just find a good place here so as I can show you guys how the Pocket 2 felt, because I have a footage, and the moment it fell down, it was crazy. I was shocked, but overall the screen protector is damaged. But let me just show you guys. Let me show you guys how much the Pocket 2 got hurt, because it got hurt, you can see. So it damaged a bit when it fell down, and there's a damage on this side of the glass protector, which is just minor. It's not that much bigger. It's a great thing that the Pocket 2 didn't get bad damage, like very bad, like the gimbal frustrating is just okay. And I think even the stickers helped out, which is something which is so good. This is what got hit down. When it fell down, it shattered the screen protector, which is good, it's safe, another kind of stuff. This base is the one which came out. You see this base? Let me show you guys something. So when I remove the base by force, right now it doesn't remove. It's like, it seems like it's just fine, but that moment it was not working. But right now, as you can see, the Pocket 2 is just working fine. So it's just minor damages which it fall down, and some cleanup, and the skin, thank God the skin just saved the camera, because it will be another thing. It's quite not bad, but still everything is just steady, and I can say the Pocket 2 still is quite a strong camera. So far so good. So yeah, something which is so great about this camera is all about vlogging, it's all about exploration, it's all about adventure. It's a go-to-go camera. Right now I'm just the side of the road, and you can hear a lot of noise. but overall it's a good experience. That today we are cruising out, and we are cruising on Sunday. Usually Sundays we are cruising, and it's really amazing. So today I have the Pocket 2, the one which I was talking about. Now it has bunch of features, especially like the motion time lapse. I love using it so many times, and it's having time lapse itself, which it's just a collective of motion, but the motion time lapse, where it comes by, it moves throughout the motion. It collects the entire motion. It's as if you have taken the camera and you rotate it around. You feel me? So when you're rotating the camera around, that's how the Pocket 2 does the great job. And another kind of stuff I love about it compared to the Pocket 1, the body is just really great. It's minimal and it's just really awesome. Now talking about awesome, it's just having really great things in handy. And this is my bad boy for almost 2 years now. And why I keep on saying 2 years, okay, 2 years right now. And something which is so great about it, it's just tough. I can say the Pocket 2 is tough. It's quite not bad. It has gone throughout a lot of misery. Up to now I'm having it, and it's really amazing product. And I really recommend for a lot of people who are content creators, vloggers, who they just don't want to carry a bigger camera, and you can just shoot even 4K on this bad boy, 60 frames per second, which is really great. Okay guys, I want to show you something which I've been actually using for a while. Okay, I'm actually right now outside the road. So I've been using the Ulanzi mount throughout mounting even the Pocket 2, and right now on this road, man, so much windy, like crazy windy, because it's airport nearby, and it's just ground is, there's no anything obstacle to keep the wind away. But still, this is the Ulanzi MT. Is it MT? Yeah, it was MT something, or R099. Yeah, it's not an MT. MT I think is a tripod. Ulanzi mount, which I've been using it for a while, and it's really amazing. Now you can mount it anywhere. All those shots you have seen, I've shot throughout using the Ulanzi. I told you guys, too much windy and cars are passing by. Sorry guys for any noise and distraction. So this mount, you can mount it anywhere, either on your table, either on your bike, either anywhere you want to mount it. You mount it and it's so much steady that it holds the camera perfectly. But holding a phone, don't do that if you're on the bicycle. You're on the motorcycle, don't hold the phone with this, because this, it's perfectly, it will attach it nicely, it won't bring any problem so far, but your phone will get a problem. So yeah, this is how it is. So yeah guys, jumping out throughout conclusion, throughout the Pocket 2, is it really great camera? I can say Pocket 2 is one of the best camera ever. Like on the go camera, you capture cinematic, you enjoy throughout this Pocket 2, and it's really awesome. Guys, I'm out here and it's a little bit windy, like crazy windy. Cars are passing by to the other bypass. It's a really great thing to be out here, just to capture the moment and enjoy throughout here. But a really great thing about this camera, it's all about capability wise. I really love this camera because it's just sweet throughout different scenarios. Talking about different scenarios, it's all about portability, always on the go, and you just rock with it, you see. So it's really amazing. Cars are passing by like crazy, but overall it's a really great thing to be using the Pocket 2. Now the Pocket 3, let's talk about a little bit about the Pocket 3. I know a lot of you guys may be saying, okay, what's going to be happening with the Pocket 3? Well, it's been 2 years since the Pocket 2 was launched, and we didn't get any news from DJI about getting a Pocket 3. I think Pocket 3 might be on the making on DJI, and let us just wait for it, because I just don't have any teaser to show you guys or any expectation. Just stay tuned for that. Let's see what DJI are having on the cooking, so as we can see what they're having next. Because of one thing, The Insta360 Go 3, which launched, it's a really amazing camera. Talking about amazing, it's all about how much its own self it's capable. Like, you can mount it anywhere. You want to travel with it, you can keep it anywhere. You love it, using it, grooving it, sports-wise, anything you like, you're just using it, man. That's what's up about the video of today. I'm signing out. I'm out here at the Greenland. I love this place at the bypass. It's just calm, pleasant. The only trouble is the cars pass by like crazy, man. Like, woo, 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 woo. That's crazy. But I hope you enjoy this vlog of the day, and I'm signing out right now. Up to the next one. Adios, muchachos. Peace.